Why do I feel nauseous after a nap? Have you ever woken up from a nap feeling nauseous and wondered why this happens? Let's break it down to understand the reasons behind this uncomfortable feeling. First, it's important to consider the length of your nap. Napping for too long can lead to something called sleep inertia. This is when you wake up feeling disoriented, sluggish, or even nauseous because you've entered deep sleep. Deep sleep, or slow wave sleep, is crucial for healing and immune function, but it's harder to wake up from, making you feel groggy and nauseous upon waking. Another reason could be acid reflux. When you lie down to nap, gravity no longer keeps the contents of your stomach in place, and your body produces less saliva to neutralize stomach acids. This can lead to acid reflux, especially if you've eaten a big or fatty meal before napping. Acid reflux can cause a sour taste, burping, and coughing, all of which can make you feel nauseous. Your diet before napping also plays a role. Eating spicy, acidic, or fatty foods can increase the risk of acid reflux during your nap. Additionally, napping too soon after eating can make you feel disoriented and nauseous. Sleep deprivation can also contribute to morning nausea, and this can carry over to naps. If you're not getting enough sleep at night, you might enter deep sleep more quickly during a nap, leading to sleep inertia and nausea when you wake up. Anxiety and stress can also affect how you feel after a nap. If you're stressed or anxious, it can manifest in your gut, causing nausea and other digestive issues. This is because stress can affect your digestive system and make you feel unwell. Lastly, consider your overall health. Conditions like inner ear infections, sinus congestion, or gastrointestinal issues can cause nausea that persists even after waking from a nap. These underlying health issues need to be addressed to alleviate the nausea. To avoid feeling nauseous after a nap, try keeping your naps short. Under 30 minutes is best. Give yourself time to recover after waking and avoid napping too soon after eating. Also, try to get enough sleep each night to prevent sleep deprivation. If you continue to experience nausea after napping, it might be a good idea to talk to your doctor to rule out any underlying health issues.